Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Lawn and Garden channel. Today, we're delving into the wonderful world of evergreens, the versatile plants, trees, and shrubs that can add year-round beauty and functionality to your home garden. But did you know there are some lesser-known secrets to planting and caring for them? Stick around as we uncover 10 handy tips to help you make the most of these garden essentials. And one more thing, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get started. Fact number 1. Evergreen plants come in all shapes and sizes, making them perfect for any garden space, big or small. Whether you're looking for a towering tree, a compact shrub, or a ground-covering plant, there's an evergreen for you. Fact number 2. Watering is key, especially during the first year after planting. Evergreens have a deep rooting system, so be sure to water them deeply and infrequently to encourage strong root growth and drought tolerance. Fact number 3. Mulch is your garden's best friend. Applying a layer of organic mulch around the base of your evergreens helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and enrich the soil with nutrients as it breaks down over time. Fact number 4. Evergreens benefit from regular feeding. Consider using a slow-release fertilizer formulated specifically for evergreen plants to provide them with the nutrients they need to thrive, especially during the growing season. Fact number 5. Pruning isn't just for aesthetics. It's for health too. Removing dead or diseased branches and shaping your evergreens promotes better air circulation, prevents overcrowding, and encourages new growth. Fact number 6. Evergreens prefer slightly acidic soil. If your soil pH is too high, consider amending it with organic matter or a soil acidifier to create the ideal growing conditions for your plants. Fact number 7. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Common issues like spider mites, aphids, and powdery mildew can affect the health of your evergreens. So be vigilant and take prompt action if you notice any signs of trouble. Fact number 8. There's an evergreen for every season, from flowering shrubs like rhododendrons and azaleas to coniferous trees like pines and spruces. You can create a vibrant and dynamic garden that looks beautiful year-round. Fact number 9. Winter care is essential, especially for young evergreens. Consider wrapping them in burlap or applying an anti-desiccant spray to protect them from cold temperatures, harsh winds, and snow accumulation. And finally, fact number 10. Evergreens are more than just pretty plants. They're garden superheroes. They provide year-round structure and color, offering privacy, shelter, and habitat for birds and small animals. Plus, they help purify the air, conserve energy by providing windbreaks, and prevent soil erosion with their extensive root systems. And there you have it, friends. 10 handy tips for planting and caring for evergreens in your home garden. We hope you found these insights helpful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!